the LG V20 is here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get Apple Music for free on Verizon postpaid, guys. So as you guys might know, Verizon has partnered with Apple to offer Apple Music free for 6 months if you have a Verizon unlimited data plan on postpaid, guys. So they announced that last week, but it officially launched today, August 16th. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it here. This is not gonna be a physical tutorial, but I'm showing you guys the steps and whatnot, so it's pretty easy, guys. So this will be linked in the description box of this video, so you can check it out if you guys are interested. So it says here, opt-in Apple Music My Verizon app. So this is how you do it. So it says ensure your app is up to date as the following steps apply to the most recent version. Alright, so make sure that your My Verizon app is up to date. It says only account manager and account owners can opt in. Here's additional info on account rules. Alright, so if your account manager, you can opt in. If you're not, if your account manager, if your account owners, yeah, basically if you have a Verizon account, you can basically get in on this. If you got a family plan, they can get on it too. But like the account manager and account owners can opt in, so you know, check that out. It says get Apple Music free for 6 months with Verizon Unlimited, then $9.99 after that. Alright, so you can get on any Verizon plan you want. It says for Android users, download Apple Music from the Play Store before opting in. An Apple ID is needed to use Apple Music. To create an Apple ID, visit Create Your Apple ID website. Alright, I will put a link to that if you guys are interested in that. Alright, so you need Apple ID to get Apple Music. Of course, this is Apple Music, obviously you need Apple ID. So yeah, but you can use on Android and iOS, obviously, but you know. So it says here, existing Apple Music subscribers must cancel current Apple Music subscription prior to taking advantage of the offer. So if you guys have a current Apple Music subscription, y'all guys can take advantage of this, but you guys must cancel your current Apple Music subscription before you take advantage of that stuff, right? So I'm showing you guys how to do it here. They got screenshots on how to do it. It says from the home screen, tap the My Verizon app or navigate the apps with My Verizon. It says tap the menu icon upper right, upper left, then tap that count, then enter your password or touch ID for My Verizon to log in. So you guys obviously have to log in. So you do that. You go to account, go to add-ons right there, then select preference by tapping select. So I guess you select what device you want it on, I guess, or whatever. It says tap the entertainment tab to view the offer. We crash scrolling to the right, then tap on the view to see. So you guys have to scroll to the right. So once you guys click on whatever device, you guys click on entertainment right here. Then you click on view, and then to continue, you accept the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox to start the 6-month trial. Then tap get Apple Music. Alright, so you know, you read the terms and conditions, you accept it, blah blah blah. To continue, tap confirm. Of course, you confirm it, blah blah. To hit confirm, continue, whatever. Tap got it. A confirmation text is sent to the applicable mobile number with additional instructions to complete enrollment. This is what the confirmation that you guys will get. Awesome, you're enrolled in Apple Music. Now get ready to enjoy over 45 million songs. It says now that such and such number has Apple Music, you can add to any other qualifying line. Alright, so yeah, you guys need help, go to you guys can click on these links here if you guys need to. So that's pretty much simple, guys, you know what I'm saying. It's for any phone you have Android. This will work on Android and iOS, guys, and you guys must have Apple ID to use Apple Music, of course. So what you guys do is make sure that your My Verizon app is up to date. Check that first, and then you go to My Verizon login, of course. Tap the menu icon on the upper left, tap account there, tap add-ons, tap, type, select whatever device or whatever. Then you do that. Then you click on the right. You'll see entertainment tab. You click on that. Then click view, and then you read the terms and conditions. You accept the terms and conditions. You hit get Apple Music, and then you hit confirm, and then you say got it, and then you'll get a confirmation message, and you'll get a text to your phone with additional instructions and whatnot. So it's pretty simple, guys. I suggest you guys take advantage of this offer if you guys are interested in that. Look at the screenshots if you guys need help. And you guys must have Apple ID, of course. Like I said, it's available for Android and iOS, of course. If you guys have a current Apple Music subscription right now, you must cancel the current Apple Music subscription to get the 6 months for free. Then after the 6 months is over, it's $9.99 a month after the 6 months. Alright, so if you guys will continue after that, it's $9.99 a month for Apple Music. Alright, so that's it. So that's how you guys get Apple Music for free on Verizon postpaid unlimited data plans. Alright, so you guys must have Verizon postpaid to get this. You guys must have your My Verizon app up to date on the latest version, the newest version. You guys must have Apple ID to do it. And yeah, after the 6 months, it's $9.99. If you guys want to continue after that, so if you guys want to try out Apple Music for 6 months, this is the way to do it. So if this tutorial helped you out in any way or whatever, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.